In tonight's Green Living, a real hands-on learning experience for 3 students at Portland State University thanks to new technology installed at a sustainably built home right here in Portland. Professor David Saylor and his students are taking a field trip off campus today to the Trek House in Southeast Portland. It's a duplex built to what are called passive house standards.
Passive house essentially is a very tight envelope house that has very little leakage and very high insulation, both in the walls and high performance windows, so you lose or gain very little heat.
PSU worked closely with the home's owner and architect to install sensors in both sides of the duplex to test side and control side.
So this wall here divides the 2 units.
They're most interested in monitoring a new insulation technique that was installed to the test side. It's called phase change material, and it does just that. The insulation changes shape as it stores and releases energy, affecting the temperature in the room. At room temperature, the material is hard, like an ice cube. As the temperature in the room increases, the material absorbs the energy and melts. When the temperature cools off, the material hardens back up and is ready to store more energy. The material helps the house run more efficiently because in absorbing that energy, it cools the house instead of having to turn on an air conditioner or a fan.
And so basically these wires are coming from throughout the house. They're temperature sensors throughout the house. They're in the ceiling and in the walls. And it feeds back into this unit, which will log the data and transmit it back to the lab on campus.
And for the students, building a passive house is practical and sustainable. But studying a passive house is the opportunity of a lifetime.
It saves a lot of energy, and so it's saving money on the long term.
I mean, it's unbelievable as an undergraduate to have an opportunity to work in a research laboratory. It's a fantastic work, and I love it.
It really is fantastic stuff they're doing. The owners are living in the test side and hope to have the control side occupied very soon. Portland State has already started collecting data and will do so over the course of the next year. They're especially looking forward to the summer when temperatures increase, and they'll be able to see how effective the change phase material really is.